Hey everybody, welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making a 20th Century, which is the paired cocktail for the January 2016 Vinyl Me Please featured album, High Low by Nada Surf. This drink was created by bartender C.A. Tuck back in 1937 in honor of the 20th Century Limited train that ran between New York City and Chicago. The drink was then updated by Todd Haig to introduce modern spirits. Let's begin. Now we're going to start by chilling our cocktail glass by filling it with some ice. Then we're just going to set this aside, grab our mixing tin, and add some ice. Now we add 1.5 ounces of gin, followed by 3/4 ounce of Lillet Blanc, then 1/2 ounce of white creme de cacao, and finally we add 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And now we shake. Now we're going to grab our glass that's been chilling, dump out the ice, and then we're going to strain the contents of our tin over our glass. Now I'm going to be double straining it because I didn't quite strain out my lemon juice before I put it in my cocktail. So I just want to be extra certain that I get a nice clean cocktail. Now we're going to garnish with a little bit of a lemon twist, and there you have a 20th Century. Let's see how it tastes. Oh indeed. Holy cow, that is awesome. Whew, man, that is so good. Oh wow, okay, there is a lot going on here. And you would think it would taste kind of chocolatey with this creme de cacao, but it doesn't, man. It's got this like lemon zing to it, and there's a little bit of this wine undercurrent, and the gin just hides right in there and just gives off this floral base for this whole cocktail. It is really good. It's not too strong, although if you look, there's a lot of alcohol in there, so take it easy on these. It's a sipping cocktail, that's for sure. Or split it into two and share it with a friend. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.